Welcome back to Buy or Die. What in the world is going on with Alibaba stock? The same question extends to the entire Chinese tech equity market. They have been in a free fall for months. Just when we think they found a bottom, a new trap door opens. Baba stock fell another 7% last Friday. This is on a day where markets and S&P 500 closed green, and today it's also doing not so well on the pre-market. The fears are the same with fresh booster shots downward. China wants to regulate its internet. This crimps profit potentials. Being long a quality stock like Baba has never been this painful inside a bullish market. Even though we have had a couple of red days last week, the bulls are completely in charge so far. We're still inches away from record highs, yet Alibaba cannot hold a green tick. This is concerning because the business itself is very healthy. Its problems stem from domestic political difficulties. Statistically, the stock is now dirt cheap. It has a 20 price to earnings ratio, which is less than half of 4 years ago. Its price to sales is also 1/3 that of 2017. After the beatings, the bears have trimmed all the fat of Baba stock. Even now, it's not a guarantee that it won't fall further. In fact, losing $180 per share might have opened a new trapdoor with devastating consequences. Regardless, there should be buyers lurking between $155 and let's say $130 per share. This is all to say that if I own shares now, I would find it hard to panic out. Those who know how to use options can utilize them to mitigate some risk. Markets don't know when China will stop imposing more regulations on tech firms. Until that trend ends and the country signals that it will let Alibaba thrive again, the stock will underperform. At that point, the selling pressure on Alibaba's shares will end, and when bears stop selling, the stock will bottom. Investors should accumulate the stock when that happens. Well, as for me, I'm not a huge fan of Baba stock, but I like it. It's a strong business with huge perspectives, and naturally, Chinese regulators are Alibaba stock's only problem. The price is very attractive. You can look at chart and make sure that buying at this level looks promising. But keep in mind that Chinese government good at making unpleasant surprises. Well, look at TAL stock, for example. So I advise to be smart and spend only 10% of your money on this stock. I'm looking for your Baba predictions in comments. I'm looking for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.